Today I'll be showing you how to field calibrate your LVS 9510 barcode verifier. This process is nearly identical on the other LVS products such as the 9580 and 9585. This field calibration should be done every couple of weeks to ensure your verifier is reading codes accurately. We also strongly advise that you factory calibrate your units annually to ensure compliance with ISO standards and receive a certificate of calibration. So to complete the field calibration, you need three things. You need the verifier, you need the software downloaded to a PC, and you need a current conformance calibration card. So next we will go to the software. We will first log in using either your user ID or password, or you can use admin. Head to the calibration tab, and there are written instructions here if needed, but make sure to take your conformance calibration card out of the plastic sleeve and make sure it is not expired. These cards must be replaced after 2 years of use, and there should be a date of expiration in the bottom corner of your card. Make sure your glass is clean of dust or smudges, and then place the conformance card on top of the window. You want to line up the horizontal blue bar to be under the pass portion of the code. Ensure the values on your conformance card match the values under the goal column. So the values on this card here should match exactly what's shown here. If they do not, you can click on Enter Test Card Parameters to make those adjustments. Once the parameter values have been entered, select Calibrate in the bottom right. After a couple seconds, you will see in the top left when the calibration is completed, you can see the date and time it was last completed. If your verifier is within tolerance, you will see all 4 parameter boxes in green. If you do not see all 4 of the parameters appearing as green, such as in this example where modulation is outside of the tolerance, you may have to send your verifier in for further testing. To confirm your calibration, you can go to the Archive tab and select Calibration Report. This will generate a page showing the history of calibrations for this unit, along with the user who completed the calibrations. Now that your LVS 9510 verifier has been field calibrated, you can navigate to the Setup tab and select this box here to have regularly scheduled reminders to your users to perform the field calibration. Use the slider bar or arrows to set the number of days between reminders. As I mentioned before, we suggest every 2 to 3 weeks depending on how dirty your environment is. This completes the guide to field calibrating your LVS 9510 verifier. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for all of your verification or barcode related needs.